Everyone, welcome back to my channel where I post videos every Wednesday on lifestyle, fashion, as well as tips and tricks I learn on social media. So let's get into today's video. Instagram. We all love to hate Instagram, especially if you're a content creator. The amount of times that Instagram changes its algorithm and what's important in Instagram. Well, they announced on June 1st that Instagram will go towards a video app platform as opposed to the photo share platform that we all seem to know and love. What does this mean to you as a content creator? I know I've talked to a few content creators and they are frustrated with this new way that Instagram wants to go about changing up their platform. If you've never done videos, if you've never done YouTube or TikTok or even IGTV videos, as well as live videos on Instagram or Instagram Reels, this video is for you. So I want to show you and hopefully help you become less frustrated with this ever-changing world of Instagram, technology, content creators, influencers. I want to try and help you to learn how to adapt to this new way that Instagram wants to present their app. Okay, so there you have up on the screen my screen share. So I want to show you pretty much the basics of Instagram Reels. So you're going to click on your photo. You will go to the top corner. It says post story, story highlights, IGTV videos, Reels, and live. So there's two ways actually you can get to Reels on this pull-up menu. You can go to story and you can select Reels from the bottom here. You can see Reels, live, story, post, so you can select it from there, or you can go right in to Reels. So I want to show you two different ways you can do Reels. Well, I guess three, but I'm not going to do the third one in this video, and you'll find out why. So do a straight on reel. I just want to do a straight reel. I'm going to go straight to the music. I'm going to pick some music, and I'm going to turn down my phone so lyrics aren't available. So I'm just going to do the straight reel. I'm going to talk for the whole entire time, and it's just going to do its thing, and then I'm going to let it go for a few minutes, and then I will stop it. So you can go to preview. It will let you preview your Instagram reel. You can also add a voiceover in your Instagram reel if you wanted to. So that is for voiceovers. The arrow is to save your reel on your phone. If you say, for example, like me, you like to batch content and do, let's say, 5 or 6 reels in one day and then save them to post throughout the week. You can save them on your phone, as well as you can save them as a draft in your Instagram, which I'll show you how to do also. So you can add cute little stickers to your reels. You can do little doodles on your reels. And I'll go done. You can add text to your reels. Okay, so there is your absolute basic reel. You go next. Now you can decide to have a cover. If you want to have a cover on your reel, you could change it. You go add from camera roll, and you can say, for example, add a random cover to your reel, go done, and then it will show up as a cover on your reel. Now, there's about 2 or 3 other things you can do here. So it says always share to feed, which is this one right here. You can take it off, which is not going to share to your Instagram feed. It will just go straight to your Instagram reels. Or you can put that on, and actually you write your caption here. You can tag people in your caption. And if you want to crop your image, you can crop your image like that. It will let you tag people. Okay, so you can actually, before, this is new, you couldn't actually tag people in your video. You'd have to tag them in your caption, but now you can actually tag people in your reel. So that's a new feature of Instagram Reels. Then you don't want to post it now, you go save as draft. So when I go save to draft, you see I have these drafts right here. Pull up all these drafts, and when you save it to a draft, I've noticed this, you do lose your cover photo, so you'll have to go back in and add a cover photo for your reel. When you write a caption, you don't lose a caption for some reason. I'm not really sure why, but you don't lose your caption, but you do lose your cover photo, so you have to go back and redo your cover photo. Okay, so I'm gonna go back into Instagram Reels. Now, for example, say you see people do transitions. They will be in, let's for example do fashion. So say for example I want to show you 3 different outfits. Well, how would I have 3 different outfits with, because reels are 15 seconds. So they're super quick, super fast. So how would I show you 3 different outfits in that time frame? I would have to stop, pause, stop, pause. If I decide to do the video on my phone or on my camera, whatever you do the video on, you'd have to pause, start, pause, start, pause, start, which becomes complicated when you want to do the transition certain points in the song if you use music on your reel. So I'm going to show you how to pinpoint certain parts of the song for your reel. Okay, so let's go back again. Song has been picked. Now, you go to the bottom and it comes up as a timer. You want this part of the song to be your first outfit, so you go set timer. And it will go 3, 2, 1, and I'm just gonna go like this and do a different angle, blah blah blah, blah 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 blah. So you can see kind of that different angle, and then it stops where I wanted it to stop. So you want to do outfit number 2. Set timer, and let's, for example, do outfit number 2, but I'm just gonna flip it and show you my lovely office. So, for example, say I had outfit number 2, mind that closet, it's a little bit dirty, I gotta clean it, and it stopped. Then you go back for outfit number 3, set timer, and I'll go back to myself for this, and I'll just set timer 3, 2, 1, and I can show you my outfit number 3, and it will go until it stops, which means the reel is complete. There. So my reel is complete. Now, I recommend to always add text to your reel. I find when I add text to my reels, they do a lot better than reels without text, which is kind of the same if you're on TikTok. when you put text on your videos, they do a lot better than a regular video without the text. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to go outfit number 1, and I'm going to go outfit number 2, and I'm going to go outfit number 3. Now watch what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go outfit number 1 here, and I'm going to click on that, and this will be my outfit number 1. So that will only show up for my first outfit. Outfit number 2, I'm going to do the same thing, but I only want it to show up for my second outfit. Outfit number 3, I'm going to do the same thing, but I only want it to show up for my third outfit. So now when I go next, I'm going to okay, so I want to go save as draft. I'm going to go into my drafts, and I'm going to go play this reel for you so you can see it. Oh, hold on. What happened? Why won't this let me play the reel? Okay, anyways, I'm just gonna share it to my feed quickly because I don't know what happened or why it won't let me play the reel for you. I'm not really sure what went on there. Reels, for the most part, they upload super quick. Like I said, maximum is 15 seconds for the reels. So while we wait for that to upload, you have pretty much, I wanted to show you the basics of Instagram Reels, which was how to create a video all the way through, which was how I showed you in the first one, and then how to create another video where you have to kind of pause and start it with the timer at certain sections in the video. And there is a new feature that Instagram I just got on my Instagram, but I think it's been out for a month now. I know it kind of comes to people's Instagrams sooner than later. It will come to people's Instagrams. So what it is it's called, so if you're on TikTok, you can click a duet on TikTok, and you can duet somebody's TikTok video. Well, now Instagram Reels has a feature which is similar to duet, but it's called remix. So first I'm going to show you, there's my video. So it goes outfit number 1, and I will switch to outfit number 2, and then it switches to outfit number 3. Now, it is on my feed as well as it should have uploaded onto my Reels, which I'm not sure why it takes a lot longer to upload to my Reels. I don't know. Okay, so now I'm going to randomly click. I'm going to go back to, here you go, Reels. So you go on somebody's Reel, then you go to the 3 dots on the right, and you go remix. When you go remix this Reel, you will show up on the Reel. You can do the Reel. Now, I don't know. Okay, I just want to try this because I'm not really 100% sure if this will let me edit it or not. I haven't done this part yet. Okay, so I'm going to go preview. I'm going to go next. Okay, so you can write captions, you can change your cover photo, you can save it as a draft, and you can still take people in the reels as well. So it's exactly the same, it's just double screen with you and the other person that you wanted to remix. So I hope that helped you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you want to see more videos, hit the bell notification button so you will be alerted when I upload a new video.